how to find pin payment settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find pin payment settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now just click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and click this one, payments, and click Facebook Pay. And here you can find settings, click on it, and as you see here you can find pin payments settings on Facebook Lite, and you can turn it on or you can turn it off if you want, just by one click. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.